So guys, for the first method, you want to disconnect and then reconnect your headphones to the front audio jack. See if that fixes your problem. You could also check if your device works on a different computer, so you will know whether it's the device or the computer causing the problem. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on more sound settings. And then once this comes up, you want to go to the playback tab and you want to find your speakers. Double click on it. Now you want to click on enhancements and you want to select disable all enhancements and then click on OK. And then click on OK again. See if that fixes your problem. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. Now you want to find audio. Click on run. And now this will come up. You want to scroll down and then click on yes. You want to follow through all the steps that will come up here and then see if that works for you. For the last method, just try doing a simple restart of your computer. Come back into Windows and hopefully this will not fix your problem.